Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to log out of your Royal Match account on your mobile device. Logging out of Royal Match is super easy. First of all, open up Royal Match application on your device, and once you're in this home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu where you need to tap on Save your progress. Now, look for the Sign Out button, which can be right next to Facebook logo, Google Accounts logo, or beside the Apple logo. Simply tap on the Sign Out button wherever it is available and click on Yes. And you will then be able to log out or sign out of your account. This process will disconnect your game from your selected login options. This will also affect your game progress. So always ensure your game is connected to an account like Google or Facebook to save your progress before logging out. If you want to log in back again, you can simply go ahead and choose one of the sign-in methods, and you will then be able to sync in your game's progress again. So that's how you easily log out of Royal Match in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Royal Match tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.